yeah, we're in the car. Go and play show. Go and play show. Say hi, Kara. Yeah. Woke up super early at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is an entire, like, 6 hours earlier than either of us have waken up for months.
My work day starts at 3 p.m.
Okay. We're on our way to Sheetz. And after Sheetz, we're going to the Cleveland airport.
Sheetz shout out sponsor.
Sponsored by Sheetz. I'm fucking tired. Guys, we're in Atlanta. My Uber driver's a little sketchy though. I don't. We're at the Will Hirsch house with Mint flipping the Will house, the Will Her house. That's my vlog clip of the day. There it is. Jawbone. We got sidetracked and started playing meme songs. Whoa. Yeah. None of my songs were in the right format, so now we're downloading a random program from a Reddit thread to convert them all. Yippee! Yippee! Please save me. Please help me. I'm asking you to kill me. I'm over here currently in my cousin's house, preparing for the bite handle rave. Like I said in one of the other clips, I had to cue and redo all of my music that I had prepared. So doing that real quick before Ty and Ethan come to pick me up. Well, look who it is. Look who it is, telephone in real life. Airbnb.
Is this the video?
Late bias.
Go shorter. Where is it?
She blade on my bias. We've entered the pit. We're in the pit.
Oh,
She tay on my flipper. We're in the pit. She tie on my lestro.
What's your dog doing?
We're in the pit. Almost. She Barb. I love vandalism. Tay flipper. Let's go. Your girlfriend.
She doesn't like stairs. They're coarse and rough and they get everywhere.
Oh, it's a fly. Brandon Baker. I hardly ran into nowhere.
Don't use the hard on.
Video. Bro. Go with it. Go with it. Blade bias. They took him. Going crazy. Shit, bro. Doubles with the Sarah.
Oh god, no. And then the fucked up squiddy.
You're going for like a nice flipping. Nice. Oh shit. Let me see that squiddy. Hold up. No. Slammed him to the ground so hard he became rounded. Crazy. Friendly little guy.
Wait, no, I have an idea. I request a Balisong.
Oh, he's flipping. He loves fish because he's a cat. He's the Mako. Yeah. Happy. Oh no.
Sacrificial offering.
I'm a fan of him. He was 99 cents on AliExpress. He's so cute. Wow.
Anybody that brought it with them, we could get like a garden.
Oh my god, it's Kumi.
I can hear it. It physically pains me. I can feel it.
Yeah? It sounds like a swing set.
It does. Thank you for letting me flip that. That was awful.
It doesn't flip that bad. It flips really good, actually.
Yeah, it's kind of gas.
Man!
Tomorrow's never here.
Go to bed.
What's up, chat? I just devoured some Chex Mix. We're here early in the morning. Breakfast is energy drinks for these two. Yeah, we're heading to the show. We're heading to the show soon. Yippee! Our hi-fi sound system. I just devoured some Chex Mix, chat.
Oh my god.
Time for breakfast. Ooh, oh, by golly, what do I want for breakfast? By golly, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' Donut. Long ass line.
Where? One Dextro.
You've made it into the convention center. Our wristbands. We got our wristbands. We're heading in the baller room. We are in the convention center. Lots of blades, lots of shows. We know exactly where we're going. Balisong area.
Let's go. Let's just It's number 30. All I'd ask is that you make one thing.
Okay, I can do that. Is this full production?
Yeah.
Wowee! Over here with Remshi trying out Kunos. This thing is crazy light. The ano on this one is gorgeous. God damn! God damn! Way over to the Machine Wise booth to Impulse buy a Satori, a Sabadori. Forget what they're called.
It was just the first one I made. That's on heavyweight.
I love the weight. I love the size. The handle texture is bizarre, but I really like it. And I love how it looks closed.
So for me personally, as someone who does a lot of work on the end of the handle for
I've already fallen off this spot. The first bushings folder. Wowee! No way!
How many times am I gonna vlog face?
Hell yeah! God damn! Thai Kraken. It's really good, bro. So proud of her transition. Funny number. Funny number. How it started, how it's going. The hell is this?
Do you put E or no?
Shit.
I mean, I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Regular crack in here. Oh. Squid Industries and Flytanium with a Zenith Kraken. That's crazy. Off to the side because I have made a wonderful purchase. Look at this little guy. It was only $35 and it's donut themed. Hell yeah. Dem. The big circle. The circle has begun. Oh yeah. So like bad. Empress, I have not tried. Oh wait, you give me like these. Oh hell yeah. Shout out to Rocky Balisong and also Nabali's, because now we have super epic matching handle swap wings. Yeah. Oh yeah. Can I check out your knives?
Yeah, look at my case. It's so cool.
Wow, look at that.
Let me
Look at
just-
the... Oh God. Made our way to the mall for food. Wowee. Wowee. Look at that. This needs to be documented. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. King, oh my god! I see what you're looking at right now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, it's so cute. What if instead of Cokie tea, it was called Freaky tea? Fuck! Late show day 1 is finishing up. All the Balisong flippers have been delegated to the corner. We're heading to the pit soon. We're going to the shit soon. Go shit, girl. Go shit. Shit like that, bro. Oh my god. Oh, almost. Yeah! Hell yeah! Giraffe on the fucking Squiddy XL. We've reached the end of Blade Show Day 1.
It's Disuko!
We're getting kicked out by the Blade Show security because we've been here for too long. Let's go. Hell yeah. We're in the fucking back rooms right now.
What do you sell? I sell Brave,
Brave
pottery
figure.
thing, guitar, gecko, arm, alien, and woman in red dress.
Hell yeah.
That makes sense.
That's what I want. That's exactly
Horses?
what I need. Horses?
Do you need a...
You need a porcelain horse?
Do you need a femboy Draco Malfoy? They fucking got it.
God, I need a femboy Draco Malfoy. Don't we all? Hell yeah. Wish my wide angle lens wasn't fucked. We're going to the pit. It's pit time.
Go to the pit. Jump in the pit.
It's fun. Yeah, that's the only prototype of it.
Like for our interests, like that probably is better for you.
Oh yeah, because I flip it.
And it feels good.
Yeah, I've got some other weird stuff, but you are not going to care about any of it. I'm just going to be completely honest with you.
Was it like production stuff?
Kind of for like small production or heavily.
Would you like fries with that? 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 Good. Do it. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, kind of crazy. What?
Flip fin's good. Who did this? By golly, would you look who it is? Why is it not bad?
Okay, the saga continues of that being what people think of it.
You remember what I showed you earlier. If
Yeah,
anybody else wants to see,
What?
check the washers.
Are there washers?
There are washers. Zero tap.
No, flip it.
Oh, just a couple.
This is just
washers.
like
No.
I'm also sharpening the blade.
Flip it.
I
Wow.
have a part 2 for you.
Thoughts?
It's not
None,
nearly as
head
bad,
empty.
but that one I did myself.
That small
But I
Arctic has zero tap when you buy it too.
Yeah. Well, I mean, okay.
Wow. Wow.
What a chaplain.
Anti-chaplain
Nothing
device.
can describe how gross it feels.
Parabolic with it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, yes. It's the most beautiful knife
You know,
ever.
Cerrone was actually inspired by
Oh
that.
wow, yeah.
Yeah.
I heard that Cerrone saw this thing and he just killed himself. Been in the pit since the show ended. I'm really tired now. I'm feeling the Blade Show effect, and it's only the fucking first day.
Yeah, they're all still in their
Who cares about this story when I could have gotten 20 of these bad boys?
Who cares about this story when you could get 20 illegitimate tags of Pokemon?
taking a video.
Wait, just the tie part. Wait.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait. Can we have this, that? And I'm gonna cut in.
So what I realized is the Totori matches my preferences so much more than the Swift T ever did. It's light.
Late show day 2. We're on time. We're on time and ready for the show.
Yup.
What's up, chat? I'm a parking pilled lot cell. You like that one? I'm a parking pilled lot cell.
I'm gonna kill you.
This mall is so dead. I've never seen a deader mall. All of these buildings look fake. I'm scared. The creatures are coming to get me. We're back for day 2. Tired as fuck when we woke up yesterday. It took a lot out of me, but getting here has rejuvenated my energy. I've handed out some stickers already. We're doing great. We're having a good time. Stealing the footage. But now you're taking. I don't know if this was intentionally a pride design, but I yoinked it. I've gained so many stickers this trip. It's awesome.
There's a knot over there.
So try out. Headed to BALICOMP. It's in the fucking pit. BALICOMP in the pit. Wowee. Wowee. We're out here at BALICOMP. People are way better at flipping than I am. That's about all I have to say. Yeah.
You're so handsome. I love you. I love you too.
3, 2, 1, go.
Back from BALICOMP and hanging out by the Squid Industries line of booths because Rob actually offered to buy me one of the little 6-pocket Balisong pouches that they're selling, which is very kind of him. So shout out to Rob Heath. He's making some cool Balisong content. He had a super sick review of a bunch of Nabali's products recently. So huge shout out to him for offering to purchase a Squid Industries bag for me. And also for being a super cool guy I've been hanging out a lot with at the Late Show. So yeah. Me and Rob have migrated to the larger room without all the Balisongs. So we're searching for laser engraving.
There's one whole Balisong in here. It's in my hand.
A singular Balisong in this room, and it's right there. Hell yeah. Yep.
That's sick. I need one of these.
So I got my Sasori engraved in the other room, and someone else wanted to get theirs engraved as well. Crazy!
I am so proud.
It's a Subway adventure. We're going to Subway. Yippee! What yippee? We are in the deadest mall to ever be mauled, bro. My hair looks stupid as fuck. I should have brought a brush.
Oh, we're not in line. You're good.
Den just invented a new trick.
I gave birth to that.
We're with the masked flipper. We're sharing this with Brandon Baker. I got nice.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's everything in class.
I'm scared.
They weren't allowed to use that in BALICOMP.
Yeah,
isn't that fucked up?
Is
Yeah.
that what they tried to get?
Yeah, it's clearly a live blade. Will has seen this. Oh my! Oh, I bet he wish he didn't though. Do not do doubles with the. No. Fucked up carrot knife. Wow. This you could kill a man with this. The Thai Kraken is so good. I am such a fan of it. I just really wish it was not $420. Not that I'm in the budget to be buying really any knife above like $250. This thing fucks so hard. At least it was $420.69. They laugh a little bit while they're emptying your bank account. Oh my goodness, we're in a Will Hirsch video. Wow, we're in a Will Hirsch video. We're in a Will Hirsch video.
I'm in a Disuko video.
We just finished filming a super cool shot with like everyone who's here for Will's Blade Show video. It was super cool, and we actually got kicked over to the other side because there's some stupid like rich fuck corpo event going on back there. we all got kicked out. So now we're hanging out over on the other side and trying to get people moving away from the event, but no one's doing that, which is valid because that's like funny as fuck. Y'all, we got evicted. We got evicted, bro.
I don't even know.
All the gay little flippers descending into the boomer pit. Here we go. What the strawberry Sigma? What the strawberry Sigma? Nice shoes, Ty. Oh no!
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh no!
Ladies and gentlemen.
What about me?
Ladies and gentle them.
Ooh.
Oh, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, one and all, to the BREADENING. This debate potentially started by Will, where he compared a particular Balisong, the well-renowned Squid Industries Cracker-Rack, saying that it was a particular type of bread. And I, in that moment, disagreed. Eventually, at Blade Show 2023, Ted brought up that the Cracker-Racken is potentially a different kind of bread. And thus began the absolute goddamn dumbest argument. So, Will and Ethan described...
Are we fighting?
No. Will and Ethan made the claim that the Cracker-Racken could be described as white bread. Some, in my camp, have claimed that the Cracker-Racken is sourdough. I feel that describing a game-changing Balisong, describing that as white bread, is just selling it a little too short. Ethan has used the word plain and boring to describe the Cracker-Racken. But you've also used the words fabulous, incredible, amazing.
You put together like a whole like script. You
was no
studied his ass.
Foiled again.
Brandon Baker content cop? So I feel describing it as plain and boring is selling it too short. White bread isn't as good at everything as you might think it would be.
Hold it!
My childhood is good.
Sourdough is not the best bread in the world, but it's a step above. You get that little bit of extra flavor, but it's not just good for just a cheese sandwich. Like, oh cool, Mom, you made me a white bread cheese sandwich. She showed up with a sourdough sandwich. Oh,
Yeah.
you might actually love me. There's a reason that this stands out to me.
Objection! I'd like to state my argument because I believe I'm right.
You're not allowed to state your argument until after he states it.
Oh, fuck yeah. Hell yeah.
So I will now, to sum up how I feel,
Yeah, that's great. I'm in.
sourdough bread has a particular flavor, and that has allowed it to be a peg above. And the crackerakin is just particularly great at a lot of things, not just good. And I think that you could only describe something as incredible or amazing or fantastic if it had that elevated level of flavor.
God, that's a lot of fun.
Oh,
You got this. You should have just been like, nah, and then walk away.
Alright, what you got?
Flavor.
Oh.
That's where you want to end. Because the
Oh.
Kraken doesn't have a lot.
It doesn't have a lot of flavor. Explain.
White bread. When have you ever just ate white bread?
I never.
Has anyone ever balled up a piece of white?
Yes.
White bread doesn't ruin a sandwich.
Okay.
The Kraken does not ruin the flipping experience. It's good at everything. Doesn't really excel at any specific thing. Like the syrup, which I think fans excellently.
Blazing.
It's good at everything. And I've never done a trick on a Kraken that's made me go, I didn't feel good. Just like white bread on a sandwich.
Objection!
Now allow me to throw the biggest wrench.
Uh-oh.
If you
I'm
had
a
to
small guy,
guess,
don't throw anything in.
if you had to guess, how many pieces of white bread have you consumed in your life? Ballpark number. Doesn't have to be specific.
At least 4.
At least 4. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe 400.
That sounds like
40.
a lot. I can't count that.
Okay. Ethan, how many pieces of sourdough bread have you had in your life?
I'm gonna say 2, but I wasn't aware of it.
What the fuck?
So you don't know that you had sourdough bread.
But you describe it in a way that I don't like to describe it.
I need a piece of white bread and I need a piece of sourdough bread.
The Kraken has this
I guess.
That shit goes hard, bro.
The cracker is squeezed with one finger and it's immediately deformed.
Damn.
Oh yeah. No flop.
What the fuck?
No tap?
If you look,
It's truly the JK.
huh?
Hold it! You're lying. No, you're lying. Objection!
Well, I do you one better.
Shit!
No, look. Now look. Okay, now take a piece of, take a bite of that. At the same time, we'll take a bite of this white bread, and I want us to actually see what we're about.
I like them.
Okay, just enough. Cleanse the palate. Cleanse the palate.
Y'all need
now.
water.
No, they're raw dogging it, bro.
The moment of truth.
That's way too much flavor.
Oh!
Yeah.
Would the Cracker-Rackin' be one of the most universally loved battle songs if it wasn't memorable?
Hold it!
Universally loved in my collection.
Oh.
If I didn't have the Damascus one, I wouldn't pull it out.
Ethan doesn't pull out, confirmed.
That started, it resonates in a specific way. If someone made a sandwich with this, they really care. They put some love into that.
That's fancy.
That's fancy. Not to the level of like a Seraph
No.
or a Medusa, but just like, oh, cool, that's got a unique flavor to
This
it.
is some hardcore pandering.
Judge? Objection!
Objection, relevance.
Wait, no, this is play bias.
Oh!
Red
Bread, bread.
bread.
It is hypnotically Caucasian.
That's what they called me in high school.
I would like to present some evidence to the court.
Oh, and
Given.
I introduced
Everyone.
Adriana, who loves the fuck out of bread and will eat a whole loaf with no quarrels.
Given the choice everyone had, which they would like. Look at the evidence. There is more white bread than sourdough. There was even more sourdough to begin with.
I couldn't tell the
And
difference.
There
was
not. Are white.
I just kind of like reached in and grabbed something.
I could not tell the difference.
Objection, you weren't there.
The people have decided that sourdough is better.
I
I think that's just right.
It's not about that.
And so, as you're trying this bread, look over at this cheese platter. Would you put a slice of that cheese onto a floppy ass little piece of white bread?
Hell no.
Yeah.
Or would you like a solidified experience that's gonna be a little bit better?
Hold it! This isn't good sourdough though. Like I reached in and I couldn't tell which was sourdough and which was white bread. If it, you need like fresh baked sourdough for it to be.
This is
Yeah.
what it feels like when I flip a Kraken.
Hello.
When I flip a Kraken, this is how I feel. Just a little floppy guy.
So,
It might even fall off.
Attention, everyone.
yes, thank you. I have the talking Kraken now.
Hi, I'm Will.
Hi, I'm Will. Nice to meet you all.
I'm an alcoholic.
Thank you.
How long have you been an alcoholic for?
About 12 years. However, potato bread. Cracker-rackin' is potato bread, and I have proof of that. It's a good hot dog bun. It's a good burger bun. And have you ever tried to make a PB&J with potato bread?
I will now.
You should, because if you haven't, you're wrong. It's the best experience, and to do that, I want to prove to you right now. Take some of the potato bread. Because it is right in between. It is not as flavorful as sourdough, but not as bland as white bread. It's more multi-useful. Therefore, I think it is closer to what the Cracker-Rackin' really is to the community at large for a reason.
Brandon, you snuck the
All
peanuts
right,
in his
what
slice,
do you
right?
think? What do you think? What do you think? Give me try the bread. I must know. It's like white bread, but a little.
That's less flavorful than both of them. do we agree?
Yeah.
We're still in our camp, baby. Oh my God!
I have an argument.
Oh.
Hello, my name's Prism.
What's your name?
When I came in today, Brandon had posed this debate to me, and I immediately had an opinion, and I was already on his side. I was never on Ethan's side. But Ethan's side sucks.
Okay, this doesn't sound.
And then Brandon gathered us here. He made a, the introduction to this debate, where he described, how did you describe the Cracker-Rackin'?
I described it as grated everything with a particular flavor that makes it stand out and makes people enjoy it.
In a way that changed Balisongs in general. I'm just really quickly going to attack Will on his stance with the potato bread. I did a quick search on the most popular bread types in the planet. Ethan, what does it say? What does this? What does it say at the top? You want to say that? Do you want to?
Say that for the class.
It's white bread, guys, as reviewed by ranking on the planet. And I don't see potato bread anywhere. I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Brandon said that the Cracker-Rackin' had revolutionized Balisongs. The Wikipedia article for sliced bread goes like this. Sliced bread is a loaf of bread that has been sliced with a machine and packaged for convenience, as opposed to the consumer cutting it with a knife. It was first sold in 1928, advertised as the greatest forward step in the baking industry since bread was wrapped. By 1933, around 80% of bread sold in the US was pre-sliced, leading to the popular idiom, the greatest thing since sliced bread. I looked up one of the very first breads to ever be sliced commercially was Wonder Bread. The Cracker-Rackin', Ethan, you are wrong. The Cracker-Rackin' did revolutionize the Balisong community. And it is a sliced bread. It is white bread. So I think the Cracker-Rackin' is white bread. And Ethan is still wrong.
I'm just
Damn right. Damn right.
Prism, you just fucked me in the ass and didn't even ask me for it. I've never felt so violated. You violated. You know what? You're here, buddy.
Oh man.
Wait, did
All right, now we'll test the true power of the Cracker-Racken by fighting to the death. You have a final argument.
Closing statements
I
for the
did,
jury.
but then that happened.
Okay, no, honestly, we should.
Oh, I have a closing statement.
Not again.
We will collect bald bias in the bald bias hat. Ethan, this is the moment.
What is
One vote for white bread. One vote for white bread. But Prism's white bread. One vote for white bread.
Wow. You single-handedly torpedoed me,
One
Prism.
vote for white bread.
Oh my God.
White bread sweep.
One vote. Wait, what? White equals black sheep. Kraken equals sourdough.
Oh, okay, that's sourdough.
One vote for sourdough.
4-1.
One vote for white breed. One vote.
I don't think you should.
For sourdough.
That's 2.
One vote for a penis.
That was mine.
Great job, Disney.
Yeah.
White bread.
Potato. One vote.
Thank you. Thank you.
Potato.
Good job, Will.
Someone didn't get what we're going for here.
Got one in for yourself.
One vote for white bread. Colon 3.
You killed me.
You killed. You made
One
me
vote.
do it.
For white bread, but not Ethan.
What do I count that as?
One vote for the whitest bread.
So Ethan.
Wow.
One vote for sourdough.
3.
One vote. White bread.
I just ate a cough drop without a sore throat. Just a glimpse into my dark and twisted mind. No way. No way. Move. We've arrived for day 3 and I have a silly little hat on. That's the highlight of the day. Here with Rob again. We got the giveaway in the Balisongs for the bite handle rave, and we're heading over to get them engraved by some random guy that we found yesterday. Yeah. I've not recorded a clip in a while, but here we are. We're chilling in the pit. Bunch of people here. We're grooving, we're gaming. Ty is filming interviews, which is really cool. And me and Rob had the wonderful idea to get our little bags signed by a bunch of community members. So this is very cute. Thank you to everyone who signed it. Very cool. Yeah. The new Benchmade Necron. It binds and also taps. This can be yours for only $500. It's so small, my camera doesn't want to focus.
I think it's a pretty good size, actually.
Just scale. No, see, actually...
Zoom it out. I want zoom out the picture.
You know, only that much actually. It's really actually not. It's average. Holy crap! It's Blade Bias. Oh my god! Oh, there he is, little Blade Bias.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh
Down there is little Blade Bias.
This even Blade Black. Oh my god.
With his little pal Remshi. There they are. Wowie, look at
I almost broke
You did.
Oh god.
I got too excited.
Sponsored by Nabal. Welcome to the Bite Handle Balisong Rave.
Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. It's ticket time. time. Get your tickets out, please. Thank you. Ticket number 002. Hey! Here you go. You get a vault. This is a sticker pack, and then underneath that you have a Bite Handle Rave sticker. So it goes in this box.
You're so fine, I want you, man, you're so delicious. I think about you all the time, you're so addictive.
Can I please get the jar?
Would you like to say that into the microphone, Fire? I'm wet, and I think he speaks for all of us. Ticket 008. My dear friend, Dakota Miles at Kenjinful. My childhood best friend who traveled 6 hours to come to this show. Can we hear it for Dakota, everyone?
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna be right next to a microphone. I gotta make this really dramatic. Oximity.
In a world populated entirely by Balisong flippers, located in hi-fi buys, someone left their fucking phone in the bathroom. So if this is your phone, please come claim it.
The mission, I did cross 3 thick friends. We mix in these licks when they big friend with a lip off. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. On my ass. Oh, how can I get all of this shit on my ass? I ain't met you, I've been looking, stopped the waiting for, I stopped the chasing like an alcoholic.
I have one last song. Well, that's my man Telestra on the guitar in the background there. Hell yeah!
Give it up for Ty!
Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. This was incredible. I love all of you individually, except for Jack. I'm sorry, Jack. Fuck you. This is this is Ice Cream Ty and Disuko's Froyo edition.
Remember, everybody, this is a song by the Balisong community for the Balisong community. Let's go!
We just got done with Bite Handle Rave. I am sweaty as fuck and tired as fuck. But oh my god, what a wonderful way to end Blade Show. I'm so proud of me, I'm so proud of Will, I'm so proud of everyone in the community for pulling up.
This has been one of the best nights ever. Now, everybody, please go home.
I just fucked up my second.
I have never felt so wonderful ever.
Thank you guys so much. Seriously, I love the Balisong community.
Wowee, look at this guy. This guy.
And I love you people. This was the best thing ever. Keep Sam's dad. Let's go.
R.I.P. Sam's dad.
Never forget.
Wait, not sidetracked. Well, look who it is. Look who it is. By buying this car. No, I got my historian plate. The Disuko.
Spider knife. Spider knife. Let's go now, spider knife. All right.
I love M&A.
I am out of those. That is my last sticker.
You're so homophobic.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah?
And now it's on the homo car. Let's go.
Let's go.
How can I be homophobic? I live in a house.